Let's see how we can create our first virtual influencer in APOB AI. As you can see, we have two options to generate our models. First, use and upload a model as a reference image, or create one with AI using this program's features to design a model with all the characteristics you want. We'll look at the second option because it's simpler and you don't need a high quality photo, since obviously the quality will be noticeable if it's a bad image, so this way you'll avoid problems. But if you want to be the models yourself, you can. Though it's worth noting that you can do face swap in the program later, so don't worry too much about this. Let's create the model. First, as you can see, we'll need to choose the gender, male, female, or even cephalopod. Anything goes. Let's choose the age for this person. I'll set it to 25 and select their origin for characteristic features. Oh, and before that, I'll set the gender to male in my case. As you can see, there are many options. There's a long list of countries to choose from, so don't worry about options. I've chosen my country, Spain. Next, we'll select the type of eyes we want. I want to make something super weird, so let's try violet eyes. Next is hairstyle. We'll go with a simple box fade. What hair color should we choose? Each section has many options, as you can see. How about face shape? Diamond, oval, or rectangle? It depends on the specific look we want. Finally, we have three options: dimples, beard, and whether we want the image tanned or not. Let's generate it, which will use 10 credit. As you can see, it's already made the first generation. If we want changes, we could generate more images to see if we like any better. Let's select this image as reference and give the model a name and maybe a description. Lastly, we choose public or private, but as you see, the private option is for subscribers only. We'll click Create Your Image Model now, and voila, our first image model is created. Now comes the most interesting part. Now that we've created our first model, we can do everything from creating voices to generating images or videos in various poses to create your influencer or character. As you can see, we have tons of options, from generating a video directly with the model, including audio, to working with your images. Let's try out the image part. We have different modes to create images. First, we can make your image, and we have various sections here. Within each section, there's a way to create images from this model. Based on this, we can make a QT version, work with pixels, and do a bit of everything. We also have a complete set for specific locations, outfits, and more. As you can see, there are plenty of options to explore. Then there's an expert mode that lets us write a specific prompt and negative prompt to create a tailored image with the character we want to use. We also have image face swap, which we've covered in a video on our channel. To save time, let's go to the complete set and try one of these options. For example, let's try a photo in Cairo. We can choose high or best quality, which affects the credits used. Let's try high quality first to see if it's good enough or if best is worth it. When we generate, it starts and gives us 4 images. This gives us a variety of images to choose from. As you can see, they've generated each image and it's identical to the model we created here. It's the same person in different scenarios, and the quality is really impressive. Even though it's just high quality, not best, the results are excellent, as you can see. The quality is great, with a watermark for non-pro users, but the output is still incredible. So you've got some options there that don't really make sense.